We are asked to convert 9, negative 11 pi over 6 into rectangular coordinates. So I'm going to sketch this out first on a coordinate plane, roughly. So if we were to go 9 units out to the right, about here maybe, and then we were asked to go negative 11 pi over 6 radians, so that would mean we would have to go clockwise, and we would land somewhere in the first quadrant. And you can actually calculate this and get that negative 11 pi over 6 is coterminal with pi over 6, which is 30 degrees, the 30-degree angle in the first quadrant. So this is a rough sketch of this coordinate pair. So let's use our two equations, x equals r times the cosine of theta, and x equals r times the sine of theta, or y equals r times the sine of theta. And for theta, let's use pi over 6 because it's coterminal with negative 11 pi over 6. So x equals r, which is 9, times the cosine of theta, which is, we can say it's pi over 6. And using the unit circle, you get the cosine value of pi over 6 to equal radical 3 over 2. So our x value for this will be 9 radical 3 over 2. And then our y value is 9 times the sine of pi over 6. So using the unit circle, the sine value of pi over 6 is 1/2. So our y value for our rectangular coordinates is 9 over 2. Rewriting this in xy form, 9 radical 3 over 2, 9 over 2. And if we were to plot this pair, it would give us the same picture as it would be in the first quadrant, and it would make about a 30-degree angle.